Are you ready to uncover the truth behind some of the most unreliable car engines on the market? In this video, we're diving deep into the top 10 car engines that break down way too soon, often before reaching 35,000 miles. Buckle up as we reveal which engines are ruining your wallet and your driving experience. Number 10. Chevrolet Aveo 1.6-liter engine. Imagine driving your car only to find out that it's no longer running smoothly after just a few thousand miles. The Chevrolet Aveo's 1.6-liter engine is notorious for its early failure rates, with many owners reporting severe engine problems before hitting 35,000 miles. What went wrong? The Aveo's engine design, combined with low-quality materials, leads to premature wear, particularly in the cylinder head and timing chain. These issues are incredibly costly to fix, often requiring a full engine replacement. It's the kind of failure you never saw coming. The Aveo's reliability issues don't end with engine failure. Many drivers experience frequent stalling, poor acceleration, and loss of power. These problems often occur when you least expect it, leaving drivers stranded on the side of the road. Even after basic repairs, the engine's performance remains unpredictable, making it a nightmare for owners. Avoid this engine if you want to save your time and money. Imagine having to replace an engine when you're barely out of warranty. This can be the frustrating reality for drivers of the Chevrolet Aveo 1.6-liter. Number 9. Ford 1.0-liter EcoBoost engine. Small, fuel-efficient, and powerful on paper. But the Ford 1.0-liter EcoBoost engine has proven to be a disaster for many owners. What's the hidden truth? This turbocharged engine, while offering impressive acceleration, has been plagued by oil leaks, turbo failures, and poor fuel efficiency in real-world driving conditions. Many owners report engine failure before even crossing the 35,000-mile mark. This engine is part of Ford's strategy to combine power with efficiency, but in reality, it doesn't hold up. Overheating, frequent oil changes, and turbocharger failures are just a few of the dreaded issues. These problems often go unnoticed at first, only revealing themselves when it's too late. Number 8. Nissan Juke 1.6-liter turbocharged engine. The Nissan Juke might be a fun compact car, but its 1.6-liter turbocharged engine can quickly turn your dream ride into a nightmare. Ever wondered how a cute car could come with such a huge flaw? Many Juke owners report catastrophic engine failures before reaching 35,000 miles, mainly due to turbocharger issues and poor cooling systems. Over time, these small issues add up, ultimately leading to total engine failure. Turbo failure is one of the primary culprits, as the turbocharger can seize up due to excessive wear, leading to a complete breakdown. This issue is not just about performance. It's also a safety risk, as the Juke can lose power abruptly in dangerous driving situations. Number 7. Volkswagen 1.8-liter TSI engine. Volkswagen's 1.8-liter TSI engine is a popular choice, but it's infamous for its tendency to fail well before 35,000 miles. What's behind the shocking failures? This engine suffers from excessive oil consumption, which leads to internal engine damage. Over time, the valve guides, piston rings, and cylinder heads wear down, causing poor engine performance and ultimately complete engine failure. The frequent repair needs also make this engine a constant money pit. While some drivers may experience minor issues at first, others find themselves needing an engine replacement much sooner than expected. The problems are often hard to detect until they result in major failure. Number 6. Fiat 500 1.4-liter engine. Fiat's 1.4-liter engine, often found in the Fiat 500, has left many drivers frustrated due to its lack of durability. What's the truth behind these engine failures? The engine tends to overheat, with the radiator fan frequently failing, causing the engine to become dangerously hot. Combined with poor engine design, this leads to head gasket failure, oil leaks, and overall poor engine performance. Many owners experience severe power loss, especially during long drives, as the engine's internal components start to fail. With repair costs mounting, many owners find themselves trading in their Fiat long before reaching the 35,000-mile mark. Imagine thinking you're getting a cute city car, only for it to turn into an expensive nightmare. Number 5. Hyundai 2.4-liter Theta 2 engine. Hyundai's 2.4-liter Theta 2 engine has been known for its durability issues, especially in earlier models. Why is this engine so unreliable? The engine suffers from faulty timing chains which can snap unexpectedly, causing catastrophic engine failure. These failures often occur with little warning, and repairing the damage requires costly engine replacements. Additionally, the engine's internal seals and gaskets are prone to failure, leading to oil leaks and loss of power. Drivers can end up stuck on the road with an engine that's completely fried. With such unpredictable failures, this engine is best avoided. Number 4. Mini Cooper 1.6-liter turbocharged engine. Mini Cooper's 1.6-liter turbocharged engine is another car that falls short in the reliability department. Could a small engine cause so much trouble? Yes, the engine's turbo system has been prone to failure, often leading to power loss and engine overheating. As the turbocharger wears down, it can cause oil contamination, which damages internal components. Many Mini owners report that their engines begin to show signs of failure around the 30,000-mile mark. Repairing or replacing the engine is expensive, and the issue can resurface even after repairs. Number 3. Chrysler 2.7-liter V6 engine. Chrysler's 2.7-liter V6 engine is often found in a variety of Chrysler vehicles, but it's notorious for its lack of longevity. What causes these early engine failures? The engine's design is prone to oil sludge buildup, which can block vital engine parts and lead to catastrophic failure. The 2.7-liter V6 also suffers from weak internal components, leading to premature wear and tear. Drivers can experience engine knocking, stalling, and complete failure before they even reach the 35,000-mile mark. This engine's poor reliability has earned it a spot on the least reliable engine list. Number 2. Ford 5.4-liter Triton V8 engine. The Ford 5.4-liter Triton V8 engine, which was commonly used in trucks and SUVs, is another powertrain that's known for its shocking early failures. Why does this engine fail so soon? One of the biggest issues with the Triton V8 is the faulty spark plug design. The spark plugs can come loose or break off inside the cylinder head, causing severe engine damage. Additionally, this engine suffers from a faulty timing chain tensioner, which can result in the engine skipping timing or misfiring. These problems typically manifest early, often before the engine reaches 35,000 miles. Number 1. Honda 1.5-liter VTEC engine, certain models. Honda is known for producing reliable engines, but not all of them are created equal. The 1.5-liter VTEC engine found in some earlier models of the Honda Civic and Accord falls into the least reliable category. What's the big problem with this engine? The 1.5-liter VTEC engine is prone to severe oil consumption issues, which can lead to engine failure at shockingly low mileage. Owners report that their engines start burning oil at a rapid rate, causing them to run dry and ultimately seize up. This is often noticed before reaching 35,000 miles, leading to expensive repairs. When you trust a brand known for reliability, but your engine falls apart before it even hits 40,000 miles, it's devastating. If you're considering a Honda with the 1.5-liter VTEC engine, you may want to think twice about its longevity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe for more updates.